Hello, friends. 那今天这个 video 是关于 about new HSK, right? 1 to 9. Many students ask me, what has happened? What has happened? No, any change not happened. It's not important, Yeah. New HSK, new HSK to 9. Wow, 9 level. I show some opinion. Okay. Tell you it's not important. When you learn Chinese, okay, the most important is apply a practical application. Yeah. 应用, okay, is the key. It's the most important. The level is not important. It's the first. It's my opinion. OK, yeah. 当我们的这个教育部通知有新的 new HSK level 等级的时候呢，wow, some students tell me, yeah, HSK, wow, 1到3, yeah, is elementary, right? OK, 4到6, 那 is intermediate, and 7到9 is advanced. OK. Okay. It's okay. My opinion, as a native speaker, I told you when you finished 1 to 3, yeah, it's elementary. Okay, it's okay. When you reach 4, HSK 4, I think you can read some newspaper. You can talk, communicate with others. But I think HSK 5, 6. Wow, I think it's amazing. It's not easy. But no, you think it's intermediate? I don't think so. When you reach the HSK string, yeah, oh my God, you can speak like native speakers. You can study by yourself. You learn further, like Chinese history, Chinese some poem. You can, you have the foundation to learn by yourself, and I can speak like a native speaker. So what is about 7 to 9? Maybe you learn more about Chinese, history, Chinese poems, some Chinese culture. Yeah, it's just to learn more, not the difficulty. Okay. So don't worry, no worries. Okay, just now when you enroll the test, is still HSKE 1 to 6. So some material. I need buy some. I need some new test paper. I knew the textbook. Well, you are happy to spend money. So I think it's not important. Okay. And the problem is when some students start to learn 4, start to learn 5, start to learn 6, HSK 6, he still can't speak out. This is the problem. When you study 1, even 2, even 3, try to speak out to practice. 说出来我们那些 text 很多的 many dialogues. Practice again and again until you can speak fluent. When you study like this way, try to speak. Wow, when you reach HSK 6, it's enough. What for 7, 6, 9, 8? That. So it become not important. is about the how to learn Chinese. It's not important to all high level. It's not important to learn more. I read more book. I learn faster. I'll finish the level 1, level 3, level 4. Oh, level 4, level 6. It's not important. The most important, I said just now, application, 应用, to speak out, to communicate with others. So when you reach the HSK 4, yeah, some daily life conversation, yeah, you can, well, just a piece of cake. So I think the new HSK level is not important, needn't to pay much attention to it. Just keep learning. Okay, I think if you study hard, you can also to couple with the test of 7, 9. Okay. So it's my opinions. Keep learning. Don't worry about this. Okay. Okay. See you. Bye bye.